Keeping clothes fresh should feel simple, no matter where you live or travel. The best mini washing machine portable home clothes solution brings convenience to busy lifestyles while helping create a cleaner, more organized, daily routine. Perfect for those who value comfort and practicality, it offers a smarter way to handle laundry, giving you more time to enjoy what matters most every day. Number 1. 1.6 liters foldable mini washing machine portable home clothes. Modern living often requires smart choices that save time while supporting a clean and comfortable lifestyle. This foldable mini washing machine is a practical option for people who want an easier way to care for personal garments during daily life, vacations, study periods, or temporary stays. Its portable nature makes it appealing to those who value flexibility without sacrificing cleanliness. Fresh clothing can influence confidence, personal comfort, and overall well-being. Whether preparing for work, attending classes, enjoying a holiday, or managing household responsibilities, having a reliable laundry companion can make each day feel more organized and stress-free. Clean socks, underwear, and lightweight apparel contribute to a pleasant routine that supports a positive mindset. Many shoppers seek compact laundry solutions that match contemporary lifestyles and limited living areas. This washing machine is an attractive choice for apartments, dormitory accommodation, recreational travel, and small residences where convenience matters. People searching for a portable washing machine, foldable laundry appliance, travel washing machine, mini clothes washer, or compact garment cleaning solution will appreciate a product that helps simplify everyday tasks while creating a fresher and more enjoyable living experience. Number 2. Foldable mini washing machine compact washer. Managing personal laundry becomes much easier when daily essentials can be cared for without disrupting a busy schedule. This foldable mini washing machine is designed for individuals who appreciate neat surroundings, fresh garments, and practical living solutions. It fits naturally into modern routines, making it a valuable choice for students, travelers, working professionals, and families. Clean underwear, socks, and baby clothing help create a feeling of comfort throughout the day. Maintaining hygiene for these important items supports confidence and peace of mind, especially when living away from home or staying in temporary accommodation. A portable laundry solution can help reduce worries while keeping personal belongings ready for everyday use. Many people seek compact appliances that match contemporary lifestyles and limited room availability. This washer is suitable for dormitories, travel accommodation, business trips, small apartments, and other environments where efficient space usage is important. Shoppers searching for a portable washer, foldable washing machine, compact laundry appliance, travel clothes cleaner, dormitory washing solution, or baby garment washing machine will discover a practical option that helps simplify clothing care while supporting a cleaner, more comfortable, and better organized lifestyle every day. Number 3.15 liters portable washing machine folding. 15 liters portable small washing and dryer machine collapsible washer with spin for apartment travel underwear washing machine rated frequency, 50/60 Hz capacity, 15 liters available capacity, 13 liters rated voltage, DC 12 volts, working voltage 110 volts to 240 volts, power, 22 watts working mode, wave wheel compact cleaning capability. The upgraded 15 liters portable washing machine is a small washing machine that can clean delicate small items of clothing, making it perfect for underwear, socks, baby clothes, and towels. Its micro design provides a deep cleaning cycle, which can rejuvenate the fabric and make it fresh and hygienic. Extremely convenient foldable washing machine. Our portable washing and drying solution features a foldable automatic design, completely changing laundry days. It has 3 advanced cleaning modes and a user-friendly electronic panel that simplifies the washing process with just one click. Innovative 360 degrees technology ensures the removal of stains, leaving your family healthy and satisfied. Efficient and simple. Our 15 liters bucket folding washing machine is made of durable ABS and food-grade materials, providing a practical solution for your laundry needs. It is designed specifically for safety and comfort, and can effectively clean underwear, socks, and baby clothing. Enjoyed the convenience of high efficiency, no odor, and no need for manual washing. Silent operation, environmentally friendly choice. Our foldable mini washing machine uses a low consumption, noise-reducing motor to ensure quiet operation. The optimized motor design of this environmentally friendly machine can reduce vibration, power consumption, and water usage, ensuring a quiet and sustainable washing experience. Specially designed for adventure and home use, our folding washing machine features a durable and portable design, making it a must-have for families, small apartments, camping, and RV travel. Easy to store and with minimal space requirements, you can enjoy efficient cleaning capabilities no matter where you are. Number 4. Mini Portable Wireless Washing Machine. Daily life feels more enjoyable when personal garments remain fresh, clean, and ready whenever needed. This mini portable washing machine is an excellent choice for individuals seeking a convenient laundry companion for underwear, socks, and other small clothing items. Designed for modern lifestyles, it supports people who value cleanliness while balancing work, study, travel, and family responsibilities. A tidy wardrobe often creates a stronger sense of confidence and comfort. Freshly cleaned essentials can improve daily routines, helping people feel prepared for important meetings, social gatherings, vacations, or ordinary household activities. Maintaining hygiene for frequently used garments becomes an important part of a healthy and organized lifestyle. Its practical design suits travelers, students, apartment residents, and anyone looking for a simple laundry solution that fits changing schedules. Whether staying in temporary accommodation, enjoying a holiday, or managing limited living space, this washer helps make clothing care less demanding. People searching online for a mini washing machine, portable clothes cleaner, travel laundry solution, underwear washing machine, compact household washer, or personal garment cleaner will appreciate a product that supports convenience, cleanliness, and greater peace of mind while making everyday living feel easier and more comfortable. Number 5. Ultrasonic Folding Portable Washing Machine. 6 liters 11 liters big capacity. Compact and foldable design for easy storage. This foldable washing machine features a space-saving design, making it ideal for travel, small homes, or dorm rooms. Its lightweight structure allows for effortless portability and convenient storage when not in use. Large capacity for everyday laundry needs available in 6 liters and 11 liters sizes. This portable washing machine offers ample capacity for washing clothes, socks, underwear, and more. The large capacity ensures efficient cleaning without compromising on portability. Ultrasonic cleaning technology for deep wash. Equipped with ultrasonic cleaner technology, this machine delivers powerful, deep cleaning performance. It effectively removes dirt and stains from fabrics using high-frequency vibrations for superior results. Integrated spin dryer for quick drying. The washing machine with dryer feature enables fast spin drying after washing. This time-saving function reduces drying time and keeps your clothes ready to wear without needing a separate dryer. Portable and travel-friendly with multiple plug options designed for on-the-go use. This portable washing machine for clothes supports AC power and comes with EU, UK, US plug types. It's perfect for travelers, students, or anyone needing laundry convenience anywhere.